Switzerland. A country that looks like a dream. Snow-covered mountains. Crystal-clear lakes. Peaceful villages. And one of the strongest economies in the world. Today, we are going to explore one of the most beautiful and advanced countries on Earth. Switzerland. From nature to banking, from culture to military. This is a complete journey through Switzerland. Switzerland is often described as the most beautiful country in Europe. The majestic Alps mountains, deep blue lakes, green valleys, and breathtaking landscapes. The famous Swiss Alps dominate the country's geography. These mountains are not just beautiful. They define the identity of Switzerland. Switzerland is world famous for its chocolate. In fact, it produces some of the finest chocolate in the world. Swiss people themselves are among the biggest chocolate consumers globally. On average, a Swiss person eats around 11 kilograms of chocolate per year. Chocolate is not just a product here. It's a part of Swiss culture and lifestyle. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. However, many people mistakenly think Zurich or Geneva is the capital. Bern is a peaceful and beautiful city with historic architecture. Switzerland has a population of around 8.8 million people. Despite being a small country, its development is world-class. Switzerland is a multilingual country. It has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, Romansh. The most commonly spoken language is German. But depending on the region, the language changes. This makes Switzerland a unique cultural mix of Europe. The highest peak in Switzerland is Dufourspitz. It is part of the Monte Rosa mountain range. Its height is approximately 4,634 meters. This mountain is one of the most challenging and iconic peaks in Europe. Switzerland has one of the strongest economies in the world. Major sectors include banking, tourism, manufacturing, technology. The Swiss banking system is known as the safest and most private banking system in the world. But it is important to understand, this is not a place to hide illegal money like in movies. Instead, it is a highly professional, legal, and secure financial system. Swiss banks are trusted globally for security, privacy, stability. That is why Switzerland is considered a global financial hub. Switzerland is one of the most expensive countries in the world. Examples: coffee can cost around $5, $7. Rent is extremely high. Daily expenses are expensive. However, this is balanced by very high salaries. High income plus high cost equals balanced lifestyle. Switzerland has a unique military system. Military service is compulsory for men. It is designed as a defensive army, not offensive. This means Switzerland does not attack other countries. It only protects itself. The training is strict and well-structured. Even though the country is peaceful, it maintains strong defense readiness. Sports are an important part of Swiss life. The most popular sports include. When we talk about Switzerland, we usually imagine breathtaking mountains, peaceful lakes, and world-famous chocolate. But there is another powerful side of this beautiful country that often goes unnoticed: its growing presence in the world of football. The Switzerland national football team has quietly developed into one of the most consistent and disciplined teams in European football, earning respect through hard work, teamwork, and tactical strength. Football in Switzerland has a long and rich history, governed by the Swiss Football Association, which was founded in 1895, making it one of the oldest football organizations in the world. Ice hockey, a fast-paced sport played on ice, is extremely popular in Switzerland and has become an important part of the country's sporting identity. The Switzerland men's national ice hockey team is recognized as a strong competitor on the international stage, regularly participating in world championships and competing against some of the biggest teams in the world. Ice hockey in Switzerland is governed by the Swiss Ice Hockey Federation, which plays a key role in developing players, organizing leagues, and ensuring international participation. The country's top league, the National League, features competitive clubs and is considered one of the strongest ice hockey leagues in Europe. One of the main reasons for the popularity of ice hockey in Switzerland is its cold climate and naturally icy environment, which provide ideal conditions for the sport. From a young age, many children begin learning ice hockey, and through consistent training, the country continues to produce talented players who go on to represent Switzerland at national and international levels. With its combination of speed, physical strength, and tactical skill, ice hockey in Switzerland is more than just a game, it is a passion and a source of national pride. If we talk about a sport that is truly a part of Switzerland's national lifestyle, then skiing comes first. The famous Alps cover most of the country, creating one of the best natural environments in the world for skiing. As winter arrives, Switzerland transforms into a snowy paradise, and thousands of people head toward the mountains to enjoy skiing. Some of the most popular ski resorts, such as Zermatt and St. Moritz, are world-renowned and attract not only local residents but also tourists from all over the world who come to experience the beauty and excitement of skiing in the Swiss Alps. In Switzerland, skiing is not just a sport, it is a deeply rooted part of the culture and way of life. Families often spend their holidays together in the mountains, enjoying skiing as a shared activity, and children are introduced to the sport from a very young age, making it a natural skill for many of them. Over time, skiing has become more than just recreation. It plays a significant role in physical fitness, social bonding, and everyday life, connecting people with nature while bringing joy, adventure, and a sense of freedom. Because of the Alps, skiing is almost a lifestyle in Switzerland. One amazing thing about Switzerland: clean drinking water is available almost everywhere for free. There are public water fountains across cities. People can simply drink water directly from taps or fountains. This reflects Switzerland's high standard of living. In Switzerland, teachers are highly respected. Teaching is considered one of the most prestigious professions. Teachers earn good salaries and work in a balanced environment. Swiss students also perform very well in global education rankings. Switzerland is a hub of innovation. Famous scientist Albert Einstein developed his theory of relativity while living in Switzerland. The country is known for advanced research, scientific innovation, high-quality education. Switzerland is one of the top tourist destinations in the world. Millions of people visit every year. Popular places include Interlaken, Zermatt. Tourists come here to experience mountains, snow, peaceful nature, luxury lifestyle. The Swiss passport is one of the most powerful in the world. It allows visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to many countries. This reflects Switzerland's strong global reputation and diplomatic power. Switzerland is a diverse and peaceful country. Major religions include Christianity, Islam, other religions. The country promotes freedom of religion and cultural harmony. One unique thing about Switzerland: citizens can directly influence laws. If 50,000 people sign a petition within 100 days, a national vote is held. This is called direct democracy. People decide laws, not just politicians. Switzerland is not just a country. It is a symbol of peace, stability, beauty, innovation, and high-quality living. From mountains to banking, from education to lifestyle, everything here is perfectly balanced. Final line: Switzerland is not just a place. It is a dream that actually exists.